What we're going to do here today is we're going to make some supports for our fuel oil tank, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the supports on the bottom of the fuel oil tank are approximately 2-inch pipe, and those are rusting out, so I'm going to have to make some other supports, and we're going to make them out of angle iron. Here's our plan up here. Okay, so right here I've got a sort of a plan drawn out. The supports are going to be approximately 12 inches off the floor. Here's the bottom of the fuel tank right here. And the fuel tank is 28 inches across right here. I'm going to have to take a piece of angle iron here. And these are going to be upright pieces here. And I'm going to just draw these how I want to draw them. And you're going to see the front view. This is called the front elevation. And I'm not going to make scale drawings, no way. These are rough ideas, and it'll work. So here's one upright, and this is going to be 3 feet. So this piece here will be setting vertically when it's put in place. The next part is, there's going to be another piece here, and then another one here. Okay, this piece here, the top of it will be 12 inches off the floor. So it's going to be 12 inches off the floor to this area right here. Not this part right here. And then this will be set up in place. And if we look at a side view of our horizontal oil tank, it's going to be like this. This is this piece right here, only looking from the side, or actually this one right here. And then you're going to have this piece here, 12 inches. And then down here will be this other vertical piece. And this piece down here will be exactly like this when I set it up. And I probably will take this piece here, extend it out to here. So this will be 12 inches. And then these two pieces right here will be connected by this piece here. And this is going to be 2 inch. So this will be 2 inch thick. I may put another one in there, I don't know. But in any case, we're going to have two like this. They're going to be connected with this. We'll see how it works. Another thing is that there's going to be 2 bolts here at each end. First of all, right here, this upright area is going to be 36 inches right there. this area right here, between this post and this post in this area, this will be 28. And I got that from this drawing up here, because I measured how wide the tank is. So this will be approximately 29. We'll make it 29. That'll give a ½ inch on each side, right here. This will be, between here and here, will be 49. And let's see, I think that's going to have to be different than that. We're going to extend this a little bit. So the 49 will be from here to here. We're going to go all the way between these two. Between this point and this point will be 49. So everything has to fit within that 49 inches. Because the present legs that are on there, they're 49 inches apart, approximately. We may add some gussets in here. And we'll have to look around and see if that's going to work. Look at that a little bit closer the farther we get into the project. This one here has this bracket. I'm going to leave it on there. Since this piece right here is exactly 3 feet. So it'll be just right for my brackets. And also I don't want to puncture the tank, and so this sharp area here all these corners, the tank will fit in here, in this area, rather than turn it around like this. Because this corner here could puncture the tank. So I will turn it this way, something like that, so that this face here, right here, is where the tank will be.